In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Dropbox efficiently. Whether you're new to Dropbox or you've been using it for a while but want to enhance your searching techniques, this guide is tailored just for you. Navigating through thousands of files and folders can be daunting, but with the right knowledge, finding exactly what you need in Dropbox can be a breeze. So let's jump right in and unravel the steps to master the search functionality in Dropbox. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your preference. In the address bar at the top, type in dropbox.com and hit enter. This action will take you directly to the Dropbox homepage. If you're already logged in, that's great, you'll be taken to your files right away. If not, take a moment to log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into your Dropbox account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all your files and folders are displayed. Now, the key to efficient searching lies in the simplicity with which Dropbox has integrated the search functionality right into this dashboard. We'll be focusing on how you can leverage this to find exactly what you're looking for without going through each folder manually. Now let's talk about how to start a search. You'll notice at the very top of your Dropbox page, centered or slightly to the left, a search bar awaits your query. This isn't just any search bar, it's your golden key to unlocking the vast archive of your files and folders stored in Dropbox. Here you can type the name of the file or folder you're looking for. But before you do, let me share a tip. Dropbox allows you to conduct searches based on not just the name of the file, but also the content within your documents. This feature is especially handy when you can't recall the exact name of the file, but remember a specific term or phrase within that document. Now let's put this into action. Click on the search bar and start typing the name or a keyword related to the file you're trying to find. As you type, Dropbox will dynamically suggest files and folders that match your query. These suggestions are refined with each keystroke, making it easier for you to spot the file you need even before you complete typing its name. For those times when the initial search doesn't yield the exact result you were hoping for, don't worry. Dropbox comes equipped with advanced search filters. These filters allow you to narrow down your search results by specifying parameters such as file type, date range, and more. Simply look for the filter option, usually found near the search bar or within the search results page. Clicking on it will reveal different criteria to tailor your search. So if you remember that the document you're searching for was a PDF file that you worked on sometime last month, you can use these filters to search only for PDFs modified within that time frame. Another practical tip for navigating through your search results involves knowing how to efficiently skim through the files and folders listed. Dropbox displays the search results in a clear and organized manner, with each item's name, a preview, if it's a document or image, and the last modified date. Use this information to quickly ascertain if the file in front of you is the one you need. Remember, the effectiveness of your search often hinges on how precise or broad your query is. Experiment with different keywords or combinations thereof to find what works best for your specific case. And once you've found the file, clicking on it will either open it directly in Dropbox or give you options to download, share, or view more details. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to searching in Dropbox like a pro. From typing your query in the search bar, utilizing powerful search filters, to efficiently scanning through the list of search results, you now possess the knowledge to navigate and find your files and folders with ease. Dropbox search functionality is indeed a powerful tool, designed to make your life easier, and with these tips you're well equipped to make the most of it. Remember, the key to mastering any tool lies in regularly using it and exploring its features. So don't shy away from using the search functionality in Dropbox to its full potential. With practice, finding even the most elusive file will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.